Samantala, umabante na sa second reading ang Parliament Bill No. 347 o ang reapportionment ng 7 parliamentary districts na dati ay laan para sa lalawigan ng Sulu at ang Parliament Bill No. 351 o ang reconstitution ng parliamentary district sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. Ang detalye mula kay Naptali Bendol.
Nakapaloob sa Parliament Bill No. 347 ang reapportionment ng 7 district seats na dati ay laan para sa lalawigan ng Sulu. Isinusulong ng panukala ang pag-amyenda sa Section 4 ng Bangsamoro Autonomy Act No. 58. Sa ilalim ng PB No. 347, mula sa 4,994,800 na populasyon ng BARM, ngayon ay 3,994,692 na lamang ito kasunod ng hindi na pagkakabilang ng Sulu sa BARMM. Mula sa nabanggit na populasyon ng rehiyon, mula sa 3 seats na laan sa lalawigan ng Basilan, magiging 4 na ito base sa isinasaad sa proposed bill. Ang dating 8 district seats ng Lanao del Sur ay magiging 10 sa isinusulong na legislation. Tig-5 naman ang Maguindanao del Sur at Maguindanao del Norte mula sa dating tig-4 na district seats. Sa proposed measure, magiging 4 na ang district seats ng Tawi-Tawi mula sa dating 3, habang magiging 3 naman ang district seats ng Cotabato City mula sa dating 2 at nananatili sa 1 ang district seats ng SGA. Principal authors ng panukalang batas sina MP Bay Intan ng Patuan, Rasul Ismael, Jafar Apollo Micael Matalam, Khalid Haji Abdullah, Siti Fahani Uyuyod, Michael Midtimbang, Tawakal Midtimbang, Jose Lorena at Ishak Mastura. Co-authors naman sina MP Susana Anayatin, Muhammad Yacob, Harun Abbas, Ahmad Abbas, Ali Salik, Basit Abbas, Froilin Mendoza, Tumanda Antok at Abrar Hataman. Umabante na rin sa second reading ang Parliament Bill No. 351 o ang reconstitution ng Parliament Districts sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region.
Madam Speaker, this measure stems from the ruling of the Supreme Court declaring unconstitutional the inclusion of the province of Sulu in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. As a result, the 7 parliamentary seats previously allocated to the province of Sulu have become vacant and now necessitate appropriate legislative action. BTA Bill No. 347 proposes the reapportionment of the 7 vacant seats by increasing the district representation of the existing provinces and cities within the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao based on population as determined by the most recent census conducted by the Philippine Statistics Authority or the PSA, the contiguity of the area and a minimum population of at least 100,000. This adjustment seeks to ensure that parliamentary representation remains fair, equitable, and reflective of the current demographic realities in our region. It is important to emphasize, Madam Speaker, that this bill does not in any way preclude the province of Sulu from future representation in the Bangsamoro Parliament.
The decision came up because of an instruction at merong directive po sa atin to ensure ng fairness at saka less haggling, parang gano'n, na parang we should get more or why didn't we get one, gano'n. So parang para fair, to facilitate yung magiging proceedings ay nagbigay tayo ng tag-isa-isa. Now, we also made sure na na-consider yung land area, population, nung mga paghati-hati nito. Actually, yung political will ng ating bagong Chief Minister napakalakas. So, I believe that he will be able to also steer us doon sa proper na direction sa sa akmang panahon, no, kung ano yung nalalabi sa atin na 7 months. I think na we have enough time to pass the bill.
Naptali Bendol, iMinds Philippines.